各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設，我係你哋嘅主持。今日我哋要探討中國最新嘅通脹數據，一個影響住全球經濟脈搏嘅重要話題。中國作為世界工廠，佢嘅生產成本 PPI 同內部消費 CPI 嘅變化，直接影響住全球商品價格、貿易流向，甚至你嘅個人財富。無論你係採購經理、投資者定係小生意老闆，今日嘅內容都同你息息相關。我哋會深入解讀數據背後嘅意義，分析對各行業嘅影響，並教大家5個關鍵嘅商業英文詞彙。一齊嚟了解下呢啲數字到底透露咗啲乜嘢市場信號啦。首先我哋嚟睇重點，居民消費價格指數 CPI 按年升幅創近期新高，主要由豬肉等食品價格帶動。呢一種情況直接影響零售同餐飲業，佢哋面臨成本上升，但係又難以加價嘅困境。另一方面，工業生產者出廠價格指數 PPI 雖然仍然處於通縮，但係跌幅明顯收窄，顯示工業需求可能回暖，為製造業同貿易企業帶嚟曙光。不過呢一個意味住下游企業嘅原材料成本壓力增加，呢一個 CPI 升 PPI 跌幅收窄嘅局面，令政策制定者陷入兩難。刺激經濟可能加劇通脹，而壓抑通脹又可能打擊經濟復甦。為咗更深入分析，我哋要睇埋剔除食品同能源價格嘅核心通脹。如果核心通脹率偏低，就表明整體經濟需求並未過熱。通脹主要係由短期供應問題引起，央行就無需急於全面收緊政策。呢一啲數據對國際亦都有影響。中國 PPI 嘅變化會影響全球供應鏈嘅成本，歐美進口商可能面臨成本上升，甚至考慮將採購轉移到其他地區。最後，食品價格上漲對低收入家庭衝擊最大，政府需要考慮發放補貼或者動用國家儲備等嘅措施去緩解民生壓力，守住社會保障嘅底線。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 inflation。Inflation 意思係通貨膨脹，即係指貨物同服務嘅價格水平持續上升，導致貨幣購買力下降。喺商業上，我哋會密切關注 inflation rate， 即係通脹率，因為佢會影響成本、定價同利潤。例句 The company is raising prices due to rising inflation。第二個字係 monetary policy。Monetary policy貨幣政策，呢個係指中央銀行為咗控制貨幣供應、穩定物價同促進經濟增長而採取嘅措施，例如調整利率。當通脹過高，央行可能會收緊貨幣政策。例句 The central bank is expected to adjust its monetary policy。第三個字係 consumption。Consumption 意思係消費，指家庭或者個人購買商品同服務嘅行為。強勁嘅消費係經濟增長嘅主要動力之一。今次中國嘅數據就顯示 domestic consumption， 即係國內消費有復甦跡象。例句 A rise in consumer consumption can boost the economy。第四個字係 deflationary pressures。Deflationary pressures 通縮壓力。Deflation 係 inflation 嘅相反，指價格持續下跌，而 deflationary pressures 就係指導致價格下跌嘅各種因素，例如需求疲弱或者產能過剩。今次報告提到，工廠面臨嘅通縮壓力有所緩解。例句 The manufacturing sector is facing significant deflationary pressures。第五個字係 economic slowdown。Economic slowdown 經濟放緩。呢一個詞組用嚟形容經濟增長速度減慢，但係未至於去到衰退嘅情況。分析師會從各種數據去判斷經濟放緩嘅程度。例句 Many companies are preparing for a potential economic slowdown。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話，睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。
Fiona, have you seen the latest inflation report from China?
I just glanced at it. The consumer inflation number was higher than expected, right?
Exactly. It seems domestic consumption is finally picking up some steam.
Consumption is picking up. Okay, that's a positive sign.
It is. But on the other hand, there were still significant deflationary pressures on the factory gate side of things.
Right, so producers are still struggling a bit.
They are. But the key takeaway is that the deflation is easing. It suggests the worst of the economic slowdown might be behind us.
That makes sense. So what do you think this means for the central bank's monetary policy?
Well, that's the million-dollar question. They're in a tough spot. They need to support growth without letting that new inflation get out of control.
A classic balancing act. Thanks for the summary. Alex is much clearer now. 希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語 ：inflation 通貨膨脹、monetary policy 貨幣政策、consumption 消費、deflationary pressures 通縮壓力 and economic slowdown 經濟放緩。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感，不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入邊試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。